What's going on, y'all? I'm just here just doing a quick video on the first mod for the Escalade here. So as you can see in the thumbnail, you saw some key fobs here, and I've been actually following LSX Matt. Shout out to LSX Matt for this. So, and probably a lot of things that he's done to his Tahoe I'll probably follow similar. He's been doing kind of a series of videos upgrading some things on his Tahoe that he picked up, and being that it's almost the same year, I think his is a 04, mine is a 02, but being Tahoe Escalade, a lot of similarities between the two. So I've been referencing his page a lot, so if you haven't followed him, go ahead and definitely check him out. But he did some mods with some key fobs, and my car only came with one key, which was this. And so he had a video up on how to program a key fob, and there's definitely tons of videos on how to do that. It's definitely not nothing new, but he posted a video on how to do it. So basically what I did is I bought this one here that he actually had reference to this little heavier duty fob here. I got it from a company called Boost Auto Parts, and it was a little bit more spendy than this one. This one was only like $6. But what I did is I got a more kind of heavier duty, day-to-day, everyday, use. And these here, if you ever use these before, they're kind of cheaply made and whatnot, and over time, these buttons kind of wear out, and if you ever spill water or something on it, they're not like crazy leak proof or anything like that. But this was only $6, and so I got that, and this was a little bit more. So and then I got an extra key made with the Chevy logo on it, and so that way I had 2 keys. So but anyways, it actually works pretty good. So here, let me see if I can program this or unlock the car for you. So let's see. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but it unlocked. And then when it unlocks, I don't have it programmed for the lights to come on yet. I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, so the lights come on when it's unlocked, and you hit it twice and it unlocks all the doors. Then I lock it, then it kind of blinks and comes on. So same with this one, same deal. So unlock, boom, then unlock again, unlocks all the doors, lock. If you hit it twice, beeps at you. So this, you can actually program from the computer inside the car. So you can have it beep, you can have the lights come on, you can have it delayed as far as the lights staying on, things like that. So very simple to program too. All you got to do, and like I said, there's tons of videos on how to do this. Basically what you do is you put the key in, and then you hold the unlock button down, and then you cycle the key and turn the car on, not like engine on, but just turn it to key on, key off, key on, key off, and then while holding the unlock button down still, and then the computer will respond, and all the locks will kind of like flicker on and off a couple times, or not the lights, but the lock, excuse me. And at that point, it's ready to be programmed. At that point, all you got to do is hold both lock and unlock buttons down for up to 30 seconds until you actually hear the locks flicker back and forth again. And at that time, you know that your remote is programmed. Same deal with this one. So also too, if you have a current remote that's already programmed and you just wanted to add a second one to it, it does clear out any existing remotes that are currently on there, and all you just got to do is just do the same thing. So at that point, when you're ready to kind of program and sync a remote to the car, you can just do them all at the same time, just do them back to back. So you do that one, it's programmed, you do that one with the same deal, it's programmed. And then at that point, you can turn the car on and then shut it back off, and you're good to go. So anyways, quick video, first mod, so hopefully that makes sense. Again, put the key in, hold the lock button down. While holding the lock button down, cycle the key to key on. So all the lights come on, key off, key on, key off 2 times. All the locks should respond. They should click, flicker back and forth a couple times. At that time, your remotes are ready to be programmed. Do as many remotes as you want during that time that it's in the program mode. At that time, you can turn the car on. Usually I just turn it on, and that way, you know, make sure it's synced or whatnot. Then turn it off and you're good to go. So, but yeah, y'all, first mod, key made, couple fobs, and we good to go. So now it's time to work on this thing. So I had an issue with the brake line. You can see the brake line kind of hanging there. So these are brand new brake lines. I bought these off eBay from a company called Inline Tube. They just have an eBay store. Pretty reputable company. I've bought a lot of parts from them. Well, went to go bleed my brakes and got a damn leak right at that fitting. So right where the flare is on the brake line, there's like a hairline ding on the back side of the flare, and when you apply brake fluid and pressure to it, it just leaks out. And man, I couldn't figure out for the longest time why it was leaking, where it was leaking from, and then I barely saw that little hairline, little dent inside there. So now I gotta try to redo it myself, I guess. So we'll see. Worst case, I have the old line right here, and nothing wrong with the old line. I was just trying to go a little bit more cleaner look and with new lines and stuff. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to fix that. If I can't, then I'll just use that. Anyways, that's my plan of attack today. Get the brakes bled, get transmission fluid in this, and get this thing running. I'm trying to get this thing to back out of the garage on its own power this weekend here before Christmas. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned for more on this. I'm gonna call it quits on this video. Y'all know what to do. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, y'all, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more with the Escalade. Oh yeah, it's going down. So all right, y'all, deuces, peace out. Oh, happy holidays to you.